Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember, on this channel I always bring my trade setup on my trade pairs. This is a breakdown of the trade I just took this morning on GBPUSD. I've been following the news on USD and the kind of economic news that is likely going to come out anytime soon based on the war that is, I won't call it war yet, I will call it tension or crisis that is right now happening in Iraq, Iran and Israel, something like that. So I've been following the news and I know that in one way or the other it will affect currency pairs and it will likely bring down to some extent to the price of USD and push up pairs like gold, silver, US oil, GBP them, and just it will likely push up the price of any currency pair that has USD as their quote currency, like USD as the kind of comparing currency you get. So something like XAUSD, GBPUSD, anything USD at the back, so probably it will be affecting it. So I saw this setup and I was following it up, trying to find a way to know whether to buy or to sell on GBPUSD this morning. So following the higher time frame levels, I've already marked out the higher time frame levels as can see on the screen right now, and I've seen that market has already tested a 4-hour demand, thereby sweeping a previous 1-hour inducement level. So they tap into a 4 hours block means that we are right now ready to push up, right? So on the 15 minutes time frame, I saw a fib retracement 80% to, like, I saw a fib retracement 80%. So I already know that okay, price is likely to buy from here. But here was the confusion. As I saw the retracement, the 80% retracement from my fib level, I also saw on the other time frame, like that's in 15 minutes time frame, or okay, maybe also say 5 minutes time frame, but it's not that clear on the 5 minutes time frame. But you can see that on a 15 minutes time frame, you can see a little supply area, right? Following the retracements that currently happened on the lower time frame, you can see that we had a kind of a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and market gave us a supply area. Then below, it gave us something that looks like a sweep of liquidity, right? And then that sweep of liquidity was looking more or less like market now trying to use the side, the buy side liquidity as now an inducement level to tap into the supply area and probably sell to sweep the last liquidity. There is no clear demand here, but I'm looking at markets might just likely just come and sweep and then from there buy again. So something of that nature. So I was like, okay, should I counter trade the trend, or should I just follow the trend? I thought of it and okay, I said let me give it a try. Let me take one side right now, since I've already mistaken from a demand. Let me try selling from the supply. If it works out good and fine, if it doesn't work out good and fine. Mind you, I was following my trade management and risk management plan, which is I'm not risking anything more than $2 on this current account. So that is just the trade plan there. And as you can see, market hit the SL. So now I came to like check back the trade again and let me try and figure out what could I have done differently. Yeah, I knew that I watched GBP to be sure that there is no demand around that area I'm planning to sell, so that I can maybe scalp that sell and they make money from it. So I already saw on GPUS, even up to now, there is no demand around there. So which means that okay, the side I took was not all that wrong, but at the moment market doesn't want to sell from there. So I went back to check Euro USD, and as you can see on Euro USD was giving us from a 15 minute time frame, it was giving us a clear retracement 80% from a 15 minutes candlestick, right? And you can see that markets from there just bought all the way to the upside, clearing the buy side liquidity. As you can see, the weak liquidity now, liquidity at the week's end of the candles. Yes, so and that was it. If maybe I saw Euro USD earlier, like I was able to picture this thing out on you, because Euro USD was not clear. I tried doing a top down analysis on Euro USD and it was not that clear. So I was like, okay, well, let me take GPUSD that was somehow clear and aligned with my strategy. And that was it. I don't think there is anything I could have done quite differently, but this is trading, anything can happen. So you are not certain of the market direction. And one thing I learned about trading is that for any time you see a setup and you still try to be sure that you must win it before you take the trade, then you are likely to miss so much setup that could have given potential profits. And remember that in trading is a game of number and a game of probability, whereby you can lose 5 trades and win just 3, and the trade will cover the losses of the 5, like by times 2 times 3. Meaning if your risk reward is maybe 1:5, as mine is, if I lose 5 trades, I'll be losing just 5%, right? But if I win 3, I'll be making 15%. So 15% means that if you remove the 5 that I lost, I'll be 10% up, which is already doubled of the account. So that's how I see trading. And right now the account is down by, would I say 20%, or would I say 18.5%? Yeah, something of that nature. So let's wait for the next setup and see how we can make money off the next setup. So this is it for today, and I hope you learned something from this video. If this video and this channel has been helpful to you, make sure you click the subscribe button so that you won't miss updates from this channel. Don't forget, let me hear your thoughts on what you could have done differently if you had to be in my shoes this morning to take this trade on GBPUSD. So till next time, I'm Jovianking Trades. I wish you the best trading week. This is Monday, so I wish you the best trading week, and try and be profitable this year. You know, get time again. Try and figure out your setups well, work on your psychology, and create a good trade plan that you can follow and make money off it. So see you guys on my next video. Don't forget, I'm Jovianking Trades. Wishing you a very good week. Bye for now.